800 sets are gone in the show. I've got to put mine on to point, and I always put it on sideways.
I forgot.
Did I take yours?
I'm just going to go right over here
Do you
real
want
quick.
yours?
Nope.
Oh, wait.
I got it.
She's going to walk over there. 6,800 have been picked up for the day. These are the oven gloves. I use them every single day in my kitchen. They come up nicely on your wrist. They cover my watch so it doesn't make my wrist all hot.
Yep.
They also, you can reach right in there and take whatever out and have full dexterity, because the best tools in your kitchen, your hands.
100%. And you have layer upon layer of protection. And the reason why I designed that is because we always talk about having the right tool in the kitchen.
Yeah.
This is inside and outside. This is layer upon layer of protection. This is silicone on the front as well as the back. So there's no right hand, there's no left hand. I created it so that it was extended cuff. So when you're reaching into the oven, well, I'll just show you. When you're reaching into this oven and you're touching the sides, which we all do, or you're grabbing that rack and you want to pull that rack out, I'm doing that at, could be 300 degrees, it could be 500 degrees.
Yeah.
And do I feel a little heat? Sure I do. But is it burning me? Absolutely not. It is protecting my hands, and I can retrieve that baker and bring it right to the table.
That's exactly
You're getting
right.
4 gloves.
We have new patterns, new colors,
yes, we
returning
do.
favorites. We've got 2 sizes, too. We've got small and large.
Yes. Can I just tell about that?
Please.
Small is what I'm wearing. It's about a small medium. Large is a large extra large. Think Alberti and David. But again, it should fit a little loose. You want to have a little room at your fingertips because that also adds to the protection on your hands. So
we are
just a little housekeeping.
Busy
I'm
on our
not
phone lines.
surprised.
1,000 have been picked up in the show. Here's the blue. We have the classic blue. Then we have the green. Here's yellow, still available. Here's gray damask.
Love.
Always a popular choice. I own these 2. I saw that and thought, need it.
And we're just showing you 1 pair, right? You're getting 4 gloves.
Thank you.
Yes.
Great reminder. Here's the romance. Large only. 280 left. Here's ice cream. We have 450 left. Here's watermelon. Fewer than 300. Here's the, large only in the watermelon. Thank you for that. Then we have black. 1,500 remain. Egg hunt. So cute. 230 left. Here is the hummingbird. Large only, but only 20 remain. Here is the Nista and Neaster. Then we have
brand new.
Doodle-doo.
Brand new today.
Oh my gosh. Popular. Then we have Pauffetti. Very popular. Then, how about this one?
Oh, Jack.
Jack.
Come on.
350 left in both sizes. Then we have Buffetti. Super cute. Oh, 350 there. Then we have the, is this Pumpkin Patch?
That is
Harvest,
Pumpkin Patch.
thank you.
That's Pumpkin Patch. You're wearing Harvest.
Pumpkin Patch. Thank
You're
you, my
wearing
friend.
Harvest. Yep.
650 in Pumpkin Patch. And then in Harvest, 320 available. Close to 7,000 have been
Did you
picked
hear that whistling?
up today. Yes,
I mean,
I did.
I was trying to
By
get
the
over
way,
there, but I couldn't quite get there.
To remind everybody just what Tara said, you do get 4 gloves total. You get 2 pair, and it's $19.98. I didn't get that price. Is the Believe still here? Is it gone?
I believe it's, I didn't
Believe
even
is
need
still-
to do
I'm
that.
putting those
Believe
on.
is
I
still
am
here.
putting those
So that
on.
has the honeycomb detail, that has
Wear
the bee
her.
design. You're getting all 4. And here's, so you were just hearing that tea kettle screaming, right? Here's what I love about it. I can take that tea kettle off my stove. That's boiling. We know how hot enamel on steel can get. And I can
I take
literally,
that from you?
yes,
Okay,
hold
thanks.
it in my hands. Am I feeling a little warmth? Very little.
Yeah.
But again, it's enough to give me the task, right? All summer, I flipped baked potatoes. I flipped corn on the cob on the grill. Right.
Yeah.
Here's another thing that I love. This was my mom's great idea. And I'm going to sneak around you if you don't
Please,
mind.
go ahead.
This was brilliant of hers because she says, look, as I've gotten older, I don't have a lot of dexterity in my hands. So when she's working with cast iron or she's using cast aluminum that gets super hot, she needs to be able to hold underneath. Well, when this is boiling water, you can imagine how hot that is. Follow me over here because now she can go ahead and dump that right into the strainer and not have to worry about her hands or her wrists because she's able to get under that piece.
Yeah,
It's
you
amazing.
still have that full
Yes,
dexterity.
you do.
I've got to say, we've used ours on the grill. We've used ours in the oven. 8,000 are now gone today. I'm going to go through our choices again because I just want to highlight the Believe is available. I didn't show it to you a moment ago.
Thank you, Mayor.
We have fewer than 1,200, both sizes available. Remember, we have sizes small and large. I'm wearing the small, fits me great, and I'm kind of a medium size. I'm an in-betweener, and the small fits me great. So no, whatever size is left, you're going to be comfortable in them. Here's the blue, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the green. Here's yellow. Yellow still available. We have gray damask, very popular, 2,000 left in both sizes. Here's romance. $260 left in large only. Do we still have ice cream? I love that one.
Me too. It's
we
so
have
fun,
400
right?
left in both sizes. So fun. And then here's
love the watermelon.
Watermelon. $250 left in large only. And then we have black. Then we have egg hunt. I love the solemn bunny faces on that one. 200 left in egg hunt. Hummingbird is gone. Then we have, that's a test. Then we have the Nista. Then we have Doodle-Doo. Very popular in the show.
I'm so in love. I know they're upside down right now, but they're so cute. And again, roosters are good luck in the kitchen. So if you're throwing that in as a gift, maybe you picked up the apron and you want to give the gloves as like a little combo pack for less than, what, $40?
You were just waving.
You have 4 gloves and an apron.
I love that idea.
Isn't that cute?
I love that idea.
And you can tuck them in the pocket.
Pawfetti, most popular.
I'm so in love with Pawfetti.
2,600
Same thing, the
sizes.
apron, mix and match it together.
Oh, so cute. Wait a minute, Jack. I want y'all to see.
I can't believe there's still
Jack
Jack
as I take the whole
here.
rack down. Here's the Jack.
Look at that face.
So cute, right? The little laughing pumpkins. All right, moving on. Jack, we have fewer than 300 in both sizes. Here is Buffetti. Adorable. 270 left in both sizes. And then here is Pumpkin Patch. 600 left in both sizes.
Wow.
Then we have Harvest. 160 left in both sizes. You get 4. I'm going to show you right here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's amazing.
And you get them for that less than $20 price tag on your screen. That means it's $5 per glove. Now, we put the hooks on them ourselves just for easy display. Yours are going to come just like this. I use mine every day. I actually leave them on top of my air fryer so that they're easy access.
Love that for an air
they
fryer.
act as a glove, but I also just use them as a trivet in a pinch.
And even when you're reaching into the freezer, right, you need to get something out. Again, this will protect your hand. The only thing you don't want to do is get them wet.
For sure.
Because, again, that absorbs that. That's what protects your hands, the fact that it takes the heat and disperses it. So I'm standing here talking to you while that tea kettle was boiling. You know what else I love? I showed earlier, using this for bacon. Because when you're flipping bacon, it's always splattering. It's splattering your hands. And you know how hot that cookware piece can come? I was holding that cookware piece in my hand. So whether you're coming in and out of the oven like we were showing you, bumping into the sides, grabbing the rack, taking out these great pieces, perfect example.
Right?
Look, here's your bakeware. Instead of getting the tongs and trying to grab that rack, we've all done it, we're all guilty of it. I can actually take that rack out with my glove and take the baker right out. I could even use it as a trivet because you're getting 4.
10,000 have been ordered today.
Everybody.
4,300 in this show. We have more than 1,000 customers on the line.
They're so great.
Waiting to place their order. You know what? Couple things. I want to walk and point.
Yeah.
I joined in the kitchen with David in the chat today for a little bit while I was getting ready, and I joined during the glove presentation. And we were talking in the chat about how we use these to root through the freezer. Because you know what? When you're digging through the freezer, sometimes it really just singes the ends of your fingers.
True story.
I want to point at a couple things.
We're going to dance.
Continue to place your orders for the gloves. You get 4. Remember, that's 2 pair. This was our essential dinnerware set earlier in the show. This is a one-time only. You have about 6 minutes left to enjoy that price at less than $50. This that I'm holding is our second one-time only. This baker is 2 quarts in size. It's got a beautiful glass lid, and that metal finial at the top makes it more expensive to make, but not more expensive to buy. Both of the prices on the 2-quart and the dinnerware go away in about 5 minutes now. So I just wanted to point that out while we were talking in the show. So if you want to go to items recently on air, I highly suggest you do so. Pick up the friendship platter. For less than $20, more than 11,000 have now been sold of the gloves.
And I have to say, the reason why...
5,000 in this show.
Sorry,
we need to do our stretches. No, just do our stretches. What is happening?
The reason why the silicone on the front and the back is that non-slip grip. So if you have dexterity issues, you know how you get that piece of silicone and you actually will try to find it and then do it? This actually helps you do that. And reminder again, that boiling tea kettle. Mary, here, why don't you take it?
Kettle's got something to say. By the way, Harvest is last call. Here, I should take that.
Harvest is new today. So that tea kettle, right? I can sit here all day and tell you about it, but what do you feel?
Nothing.
Nothing yet.
It'll
You'll
warm up
start
in a
to
minute.
Feel a little heat.
Yeah, but not yet.
She has enough room in her fingertips, just like your snow gloves fit. You want these to fit. So small, medium is what I wear. Are you wearing a small, medium?
I am.
I can also wear a large. They're just a little bit bigger.
I have
David
a large set and a small set. Yeah.
And what I love about these is the fact that you can keep a pair outside for your grill. You can keep a pair inside for around the house.
Yeah.
These are fantastic. It's why they've been so popular. And I love the fact layer upon layer of protection for your... How you doing?
Hands are fine.
See?
I can whistle.
High five.
If they weren't fine, I would not be whistling.
No.
I would be
She
screaming.
would not. I'll take that for you guys.
By the way, this Believe, I'm going to hold it up so you can see.
The best.
This pattern has never been live on the air before, and there are only 950 to go around, but both sizes are still available in Believe. Almost 12,000 have been picked up today and more than 5,000 in this show alone. Let's take a look at our choices again. So here's the blue. I should take that off while I point. Here's the blue. And then we have them in green. We also have that 20th anniversary celebratory yellow. I do too.
And that damask. You have the damask, right?
Yes, I do.
Yes, we have it in the drying mats. So we've put a whole collection together.
But if you want the gray damask, there's only 1,700 remaining.
Is it damask or damask?
Both. Potato,
you sure?
potato.
You sure?
Yeah, absolutely.
Like, correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding? I say poinsettia and poinsettia.
You did
Why
say
not?
both, by the way.
Why not? Language is fun. Language is an art form.
Right. Right.
Paint how you like.
It's subjective.
We also
Not really.
have the romance.
Love, if you, by the way,
220 in
if
large
you picked
only.
up the romance
let's see
in
that.
our
Wait.
big deal,
Let's see.
You don't
Let's
even have
see.
to take it down. Look how fun that can coordinate back. So that's a really fun
That's
gift
sweet.
too. Both gifts are $20. 4 gloves or the big platter.
And when you give the gift of a heart, they always think of you. You know what? This is the ice cream. 300 left in both sizes. Here's watermelon. 225 in large only. Here's black. 1,100 in both sizes. Here is Egg Hunt.
I love that.
175 in both sizes. I have to say that little solemn faces on the bunnies.
Just so sweet.
I
And the
love how
cracked eggs.
mildly stern they are.
And look at the teal color. Like the pop of color
really
there
pretty.
is just everything.
It's gorgeous.
Love.
And then we have Nista.
That's so fun. These are all the words that you've been sharing with us. Baked with love, family, friends,
Neasters.
joy. Yeah, of course, we have Neasters and Nistas.
That's right.
Love.
And then we've got...
I can't believe we have any Doodle Doo left. I'm actually shocked.
Yeah, Doodle Doo. It's
Phenomenal.
popular, though.
Yeah,
it is
well,
popular.
it's a great housewarming gift also, you guys, because everybody needs a rooster in their kitchen. It's good luck.
I just had an idea.
Tell me.
What if you have somebody who's kind of afraid to get started in the kitchen, like they're nervous, they haven't been good at cooking before?
Yeah.
Give them these and say, don't be a chicken. Get more involved in your kitchen.
Okay.
Stop it! Wow. Okay, that just happened.
I was going to try to
Here
rhyme
is-
rooster and toaster, but it didn't work. Never mind. I was.
Please don't put your rooster in the toaster. Here's the Pawfetti.
I love
There's
this.
2,000 left
Look
to
how
go
fun.
around.
And do you notice
in
that I
both
did a
sizes.
universal paw?
I
Right, so this could
did.
kind of be for
kitties and
Yes,
puppies.
exactly.
It's so sweet.
Yep.
Moving on down, Jack.
I love me some Jack.
So sweet. I do too.
I do.
Fewer than 200 in both sizes available. I'm going to hang that back up. Then we have Buffetti.
Love.
Adorable. 180 available in both sizes. Wow. And then we have Pumpkin Patch.
Love that we have Pumpkin
500 in both sizes. And then Harvest. Large only, 3 dozen remain.
And
That's
I just
it.
want to say, on the new that we're sharing with you today on our seasonal, this is something you'll only see this time of year. They're brought in for a certain period of time, and then once they sell out, they're gone. You won't see them till this time next year if we carry them at all, right? We can't always make guarantees. So if you love this to kind of coordinate back, and you're like me and you swap out kind of your towels, your gloves, this is a great, affordable way to do that with something that you know you're going to need in the kitchen.
Pop them in the machine. Can I do that?
Thank you. We did not talk about that. Absolutely. Yeah. You can put them right in your washing machine. Let them air dry because of that silicone.
Always
you
do.
don't want to ruin that silicone.
Always do. I love how I act like she's just telling me. Like she says, make sure they air dry. I'm like, I always do. Thank you. Hey, Mayor, we're telling everybody. Okay, thanks. They are less than $20 for all 4 of the gloves. Remember, you're getting 4. I can only wear 2 at a time. But when it comes to this show, big 2-hour Temp-tations 20th anniversary celebration. Just to remind you, in this show alone, we've had 7,000 sets of gloves picked up. You're getting 4 total. But as we wrap up on this, just to remember, we have 2 sizes, small and large. I'm wearing the small. I also have a pair in the large. They fit just fine. Just grab whatever you're comfortable with. You know the size of your hands better than we do. Less than $20. Everybody, please continue to place your orders. You have about 60 seconds to pick up the 2 one-time onlys before that price goes up at the end of the show. I adore you.
I adore you too, and thank you, everybody. I mean, we've been celebrating Temptations Month all month long. This was our big 2-hour show. We have one more finale show on the 31st, and more new coming, so please make sure you join us. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It has been a magical 20 years.
Oh,
and you are a dream.
I adore you so much.
Adore you, too.
You know what? Sandra Bennett's coming up next. She's going to take you more fun shopping. And I will see you all sometime next week. I don't even know. I'll see you on social. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.